In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between double equals and triple equals in JavaScript. They look almost the same, but they behave differently. Let's click each one and see what JavaScript actually does. So we'll start with the first one, 5 double equal to a string 5. In this case, we are getting the result true. Also, the double equal sign is also referred to as loose equality. So what's happening here? First, JavaScript checks the types, or the data types, in other words. Then, because the data types are different, we have a number and a string, so JavaScript in this case is allowed to convert them. So the string 5 is converted to the number 5. Now the values are compared. And because 5 is equal to 5, we get the value true. Now let's look at the triple equal sign, which is also called the strict equality. So there's stricter rules here. First, JavaScript looks at the type. So in this case, it sees that the number 5 is not the same as the string 5, so here it stops. No conversion happens, and that's why we get the result of false. So with loose equality, or the double equal sign, conversion is allowed, and that's why we get true for the number 5 being equal to the string 5. But with strict equality, there is no conversion allowed, and that's why we get false, because the number 5 is not the same as the string 5. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.